Is sneezing frequently okay? Well, I think we do not really have a choice here. We cannot, no one can control their sneezing. But there's something that really no one talks about it how much sneezing is involved when you're pregnant and how weird sneezing is when you're pregnant. I have to hold my entire uterus, my belly down there because then it hurts. And I'm so worried about how hard I sneeze than doing a row movement or lifting too much heavy. That's how much I'm sneezing. I'm sneezing so much. My nose is it's a disaster to the point that I have this is an old cold sore and I have a patch on one cold sore that started yesterday and then I think I have one that started today. I mean it is I think this is the worst of the entire pregnancy is the nose situation. And so yeah, to answer your question, I don't think we have a choice if it's okay or not.